How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video. Today we are actually going to do bull versus bear comments. Well, actually just me responding to your comments, the funniest ones, because since we are an investing financial wizardy channel, you know, we get a lot of hate, we get a lot of love. So I would just want to share that with you and respond directly to you guys through this video and future videos of this type of series. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. From my video of esports entertainment is on discount, which I recently uploaded, and I really like that company. Like I keep saying, again, no financial advice, no nothing. I'm just telling you what I'm investing in. I've got DraftKings, was going to wait for sports to start, but that's looking grim. I've been eyeing the stock for a minute, watching this video. I think I might jump in soon. Thanks. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, skeptic, that's just my opinion. I think esports entertainment differentiates itself because it has its niche, esports. It's online gambling platform. I've checked it out. Currently, it's not available in the US, but like I've said, once we're in the US, my money's gonna double. And that's just me. I'm really betting my money on it. And again, that's just me. But we're not in the US, like I said, and the shares are trading at $6. Incredible. I definitely know once US money starts rolling in the company, we're really gonna take off. Currently, I forgot where it's established, in some other country. When you see this many YouTubers tell you to buy, you sell, and this is from the workhorse video. Well, I didn't really say buy in all my videos. Like I keep saying, it's all about doing your own research, and I just brought to you guys my viewpoint on the company. And I really just kind of wanted to, people keep comparing these stocks, the Neo, Workhorse, Solo, and in my preference, I see Workhorse as the most valuable company because they are niched down and focusing on industrial vehicles, EVs. So that is why I was not virtual signaling or anything, nor am I even invested. I totally missed out. It's like I said in that video, it was trading at $15.50, and by the time I posted and edited and uploaded my video, the stock market closed, and of course the next day it opens around $17. So I missed out on some valuable gains because of my dumb butt. But that was just me. But I will agree with you, Crypto Spike. A lot of YouTube videos are virtual signaling, which I keep saying I don't, and that's why I even make negative videos on certain stocks, and I get hate for that, but it doesn't matter, you know, like I'm telling you guys my quote-unquote my truth, you know, what the cool kids say. But that's what I enjoy to do. I really like making these videos for you guys. I'm invested in bets. It's a slow and steady climb up. Oh, the EBT. ETF, the ETF bets, nice. All right, but remember, it's an ETF, and ETFs have those fees, so do your research on what ETFs fully mean. I personally am, that's why I really like investing in the company directly. Invest in an ETF, but if you want to diversify, that it's also a good way. I know my brother-in-law, my trading buddy, Mr. Runs, has bets, and he was doing well, but you know, everything started going down, so bets started going down. But I see more percentage gains in individual stocks. Specifically, that's why I'm going with Gamble, GMBL, DraftKings. Maybe I'll buy a contract on it, depending once I'm feeling some good momentum going to go through it. But at the moment, I don't really want to invest directly in DraftKings. But nice that you're in bets. What will this stock be when it's sending customers to space once per day? Very good outlook. You know, once we're almost at that point, obviously this stock is going to go through the roof, in my opinion, and that's what I spoke about. But I really like where they're headed, and just that they're really focusing on the future. So personally, that's why I like this company for space, Virgin Galactic. Great gains on this stock. Thanks for sharing the stock. I will take a look at it more. Aloha. Thank you, Mr. Dividend Investor, for your comment. Again, yes, I just wanted to bring this to light and share with you guys some of my best gains. This stock has been one of my best gains. Aside from options trading, like individually purchasing stocks, this one has given me the best returns. And like I said, in a couple of days, almost 60% returns in a couple of days. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I love it. And if you want to see when I first originally announced it, go all the way to the beginning of my channel, and I have esports entertainment. This stock is about to blow up, which it did, but then, you know, like the whole gambling industry had its run, and now it's calmed down. So that's why I'm in it now that it's calm. Going to GNUS, because I do talk about GNUS quite a bit, because a lot of viewers, you know, I feel the reason why I keep talking about GNUS so much is because a lot of viewers, they're really swayed in chat groups by both the good and the bad, and I've seen that that a lot of the bad has been overtaking the precedence of the good in the form of keep buying, and I just want to alert people of like, no, you should not buy. You really should not, in my opinion, and here are my reasons, and here is my research, and this is literally what's going on in real time with the company and why the stock keeps dropping. The day traders are making a mockery of GNUS. Okay, yes, the day traders, but I am not day trading this company. I've just been on it with the news. I had high expectations, lost a lot from not listening to others telling me that this was a pump and up stock. So yes, pump and up stock, definitely, because it you know, too much growth in a short amount of time is not good, but it's still worth looking at it, watching it. Well, Robotech, I agree with you in that sense in the long run, but yes, do be careful, especially with these slow penny volatile stocks. You can easily make some money, but more importantly, you can easily lose money. More genius comments. Same here. How the hell do people know the news so fast? Holding from $3.52. This spike shows potential if they can strike a deal with Netflix or Disney. Very true, Julius. Well, best of luck to you from $3.50. And I believe now it's trading at $2.60, $2.50. So I know you're down $1 for every share that you have. So keep. I don't know whenever you want to let go of this bag, but there is potential. Of course, that would be huge news, but I just do not see that coming to fruition or whatever. In the meanwhile, I believe Disney and Netflix are, you know, they're focusing on their company, is not really trying to help, quote unquote, someone else to bring up their stock value. They're really selfish right now, and they all want to bring up their stock value. Netflix, all-time highs, crazy. Disney is struggling. You know, Disney Plus is giving it a battle, but even with its diversification and theme parks and everything else, Disney is doing pretty good. You know, when from its low of under 100, I bought a share for 100 and then sold it for 120, and right now it's like at 118. I just need Genius to break even. Again, I agree with you. Can you look at QUBT and do a video if it interests you? Samuel, thank you for your comment. What is it? I'll quickly look at it here. Quantum computing. Ooh, interesting. Okay, maybe. Wow. All right. Well, thank you. I will be looking more deeply into this. All right, great video. I saw the spike 2 live, but I'm holding 5K worth long term. All right, you know, hey, long term, if that's your investment strategy, all the best of luck in the world to you. Solo stock, Electra America. So Solo was one of my videos that I really bash talked the stock because I really don't like it. This car is perfect for food delivery, Uber Eats, smart car rental, etc. Yes, but that does not give it any definitive confirmation of that could bring up its value or a huge order from Uber. Remember, a lot of Uber drivers are individual people, and most of them are driving their Camrys. Another comment on Genius. Our future generations will be watching these cartoons. Definitely gonna blow up in the near future. Our future, okay, you know, that's very broad. Our future generations have Netflix, they have Disney Plus, Disney On Demand. They like me personally, that I have not watched everything from Disney. I would watch those things with my kids other than like, oh, Genius, just because I have the company. It's like, this is, in my opinion, sorry, Israel, just, you know, just replying back. In my opinion, comments like these are biased because, for example, I have Coke shares and I am out there telling everyone, you best be drinking Coke. Hey, that ain't no Coke. Why are you drinking Pepsi? Pepsi's horrible. Just because I have Coke shares. You know, that's just I'm joking, but at the same time, hey, I actually do mean it. Can you please buy Coke? That way my Coke shares can go up in value. So saying our future generations will be watching Genius cartoons is not really a good predecessor or predictor that the stock is going to blow up. And again, just I understand human nature. Like I said, I do it too with my Coke shares. Breath of fresh air. Your YouTube competitors need to take notes. Roco Studio, thank you. Like I said, Solo stock is way overhyped just because it's EV. Literally, if it was a gas company, everybody would be like, this is horrible. And no one would even talk about it just because it falls in the hype sector of EVs, and other people just want to make videos, and I just really don't like that. Other videos really just say bye, or virtual signal bye. That's why I will continue to do my best to be unbiased, objective, because we do need that in the world, and to give advice like, dude, this company sucks. Long term, I do think it sucks. Hi Capital, nice video on space. Can you do one on GBTC? Thanks. GBTC stock. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. If it's like a crypto trust, in my opinion it's like a derivative as far as what I'm seeing, so I might not even want to talk about this. Sorry. It looks like a derivative. I'm not really doing cryptos at the moment because it's all about stocks, man. That's where you get the huge percentage gains. You know, day trading. I'm just kidding. I'm not promoting anything. I'm just trying to give you guys some best knowledge and news of my ability. Neo going to the moon. I just didn't like that it's a Chinese company, and again, they have some shady things, so even though just putting rockets isn't gonna help anybody, I want to do a Neo update once it crashes, that way I can be like, ha ha ha, I was right. But that's just me. I don't know, I'm gonna stay away from Neo for the meanwhile. I said what I had to say, and we'll see what happens. You know, I'm not gonna make a video on the same stock every single day, and then everybody's looking at me, really, with your genius videos? I promise I'm done. I just need to inform my subscribers that they need, if they need help to get out, I'm here for you guys. Rolls-Royce stock. I was looking to buy some of this, had an order in and decided to cancel and buy DAN stock instead. Much better and safer in my opinion. Hey, Silver Shrimp, I'm glad you're going through with whatever you believe is best for you and whatever you believe has the wherever your capital should be allocated. You know, props to you. Thank you for your comment. Thank you. Invest with Henry. Good stuff, man. Subbed and liked the video. Virgin Galactic is an awesome stock. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna heart your comment just because it's really good. I have 2,000 shares at 15.56. Nice, very positive. It will double sometime in the future. Branson will make the first flight. Cheers. Space and electro cars are in trend. Yes, they are. Hopefully soon, like next month soon.
Hopefully by August 1st, so I can pay my rent. Laughing out loud, I commented.
Nice video. Thank you. China is a problem in general. I'm not going to invest. Edit the big picture. Agree. I'm looking at the big picture, and that was my whole premise of the video. I gave you guys the biased point of view also, though, that that I just don't like China, and like, what? Come on, USA number one. But the bigger picture is that trade wars, trade deals, and all the other stuff. Plus, I do not see any president in office allowing Chinese companies to really, you know, put their stamp on the US. Like you guys saw TikTok. Oh, we're trying to ban TikTok, and it's like, why? Because it's a Chinese company. Oh, there's security measures that we need to prevent, and it's like, yeah, I can agree with that, but the bigger picture is we don't want Chinese companies thriving in the US. That's just my opinion. So, you know, putting your money into a stock that you're really hoping will blow up, in order for it to really blow up, it needs to get huge market share, and the US is a huge market for any company to really compete in. So that's just my opinion. As you guys know, well, I haven't made a video on Alibaba, but it's like, why is Alibaba so expensive and valuable at like trading right now at 240? It went from 200 earlier this year to 240, and that is because a lot of US people are actually using Alibaba, and Alibaba is actually being used worldwide. But Neo, I don't, and they're because they're a commerce platform. Neo is an actual trying to sell you cars, and like I said, I don't see the US letting Chinese cars really come to the country. Probably would put tariffs on them, or just really make it impossible and put so many loopholes, again, in my opinion. Oh, okay, and Daniel, Alibaba is the Amazon of China, and Neo could very be well the Tesla of China. Again, Alibaba is the Amazon of China. I agree with that. The difference is Alibaba is very dominant also here in the US. Like if you go watch some how to dropship videos and all these make money online, everybody's telling you go on Alibaba, go on AliExpress. I think it's like the sister of Alibaba. So it's very present in the US because it's an e-commerce, it's an internet company. It's already here in our hands, but the actual cars of Neo, they're not here. They're not going to be here, in my opinion. So saying that Neo is the Tesla of China, hey, Tesla's trying to go over there and compete in China, and I know that the Chinese, they love worldwide luxuries. Like the Chinese love Louis Vuitton, they love Gucci, they love whatever like even what Westerners like. So if Tesla is the name brand, the luxury brand with their Model S, people are gonna want Tesla just to like be part of the higher society instead of Neo, who's trying to come up, in my opinion. Again, I don't know the Chinese culture. I'm just saying USA number one. That's what I'm saying.
Get a life. The stock market is for investors, not country loyalty.
Okay, but I also, like I keep saying, my side of the coin or my viewpoint is that it's not going to grow because of that. I gave the biased opinion that USA number one. You get a life. Oh, thank you, Ethan. I'm going to like and heart your comment. Luis, what the F? I thought we were homies. Eduardo, don't be upset and hate on Neo because you didn't jump on it when it was cheaper. I will say that I do agree. Okay, I'll like that. Don't be upset. I'm not upset I think I did say in this video, oh yeah, I didn't enjoy, I'm upset because I didn't find it earlier. I agree, you know, hey, you know, a quick buck, who wouldn't like that? Because I'm essentially inputting capital into the company. Even before it was like $2 or $3, I'm putting in money. Let's say I put $1,000 and it jumps all the way to 10. I 10x, well, depending on how much I put. Let's say I 5x my money. I take out my money. I'm actually disallocating the capital. I'm taking it out because with me selling, it's like, okay, I don't want to hold anymore. Oops. So don't hate because I'm not hating. Again, I'm just trying to give you guys the bigger picture. The bigger picture is more important to me. Workhorse. A lot of people enjoyed that video. I'm actually very grateful for all the views and all the comments that I'm getting and all the likes. Don't do it for that. Do it for the bigger picture of giving you guys my viewpoint and the best information that I can. Keep adding up Tesla and Workhorse and Hillian. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I don't like my own comment. That's so funny. Oops. And I have so many more comments. My page is not refreshing. There's just so much to go through. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if I should do more about these. Again, I want to make it a series, especially on the weekends. That way you guys have something to enjoy and watch and get some comedy out of it. I really like and appreciate all the comments, both good and bad. The bad ones especially, okay, no, don't send me hate comments. Don't send me bad comments just on purpose. You know, I like to know where people are thinking because that lets me get two sides of the coin. And with that, as an investor myself, I can see why people are passionate about a stock and, you know, maybe bet against them, you know, use that information to my advantage, you know, quote unquote. You know, it's all about gathering data and trying to best analyze it and use it to put yourself in a position of coming out ahead. So again, these comments just let me see what people are thinking, what people are talking about. I also go into chat groups and see what the heck everyone's saying. And the only thing about chat groups is the only thing that people are saying is Neo to the moon, Solo to the moon. So that's not helpful. So I really appreciate that my community here on my channel and all my subscribers are commenting and are putting down what they truly think. That way everyone can learn from each other and see, okay, well, did you know about this? Like, did you hear about this news? And I was like, no, I actually did not. Let me do some research. Let me Google it. And it helps all of us out. So keep commenting. If you're not subscribed yet, you best subscribe because we are the best investment channel, financial investment channel with the best community because we do our best to all help each other, all make money, both being unbiased as much as possible. So that's my offer to you. If you're not subscribed, you best be subscribed. Better be subscribed for the next video. And with that, I'm going to wrap up bull versus bear comments. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.